Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to send TRX from KuCoin to your Trust wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, and TRX is no exception. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure you have both a KuCoin account with some TRX in it and the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. If you don't have Trust Wallet yet, download it from your app store. It's free and user-friendly. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the TRX wallet. This is usually under the Wallets section. Once you're there, tap on the Receive button to display your TRX wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to your clipboard. Double-check that you're using the correct network, which for TRX is the Tron network. Next, head over to the KuCoin website or app and log in to your account. Go to the Assets, or Wallets, section, find your TRX balance, and click on Withdraw. You'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency, in this case, TRX, and then paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet into the withdrawal form. Now, enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees if needed. Before you confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Hit Submit, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. The transfer should take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Trust Wallet to see your TRX has arrived. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. And there you have it. You've successfully sent TRX from KuCoin to Trust Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.